There it is. Once it's all dry, this contraption and that one over there will come out. I guess. Hey, let me step back over here. I guess that's why he made these, so he could balance the have somewhere to brace the pole and like adjust it and put it the way it is. But sunk in there in the concrete, it ain't going nowhere now. I said this is stage one, trying to get this whole carport back up. You know, we wasn't gonna leave it laid in the front yard forever. Now it's a race against time because it's starting to get pretty hot here. I already know how it's gonna be. We'll end up having to do the hardest part, putting the roof on in the blazing sun. But it's been down for about a year, maybe a year and a half. But damn, feels good to get that first pole in. So just a little quick update to show you what was going on. Why this is also the reason why there hasn't been any more car videos and stuff. Because I only get 2 days off a week, so I've been trying to get this whole carport thing cracking up, because that's what I'm going to need. I need that shade, because ain't no way I'm going to be out here working on cars in the blazing sun. Once I get this shade popping, then the rest of the car videos will flow. So that's just what's up, people. 100 Spoke Riders. Figure I'd give you another little update of what it looks like in the morning the following day. Oh, I did a bitch. Damn wrapper blew on it. Ugh. Goddamn Taco Bell. Anyway, this is a quick little early morning update. I mean, it's dry, but not dried all the way. This is the hard one because it's up against a wall, and that's why it's not as big. But it's still gonna be. It's still heavy. It still locks it in place. Okay, that mirror hitting me on the back. So there you have it. That's how that one's gonna look once it's all dried up. This one's a week old, so it's pretty dry. Ain't nothing special, just some bags of concrete from a whole bunch of bags of concrete from Lowe's. That's where the second pole. That's the hole for the second pole. How to go in there. Okay. Although we already put one bag down there, we forgot to put the foil on it, but we had to rinse it off before it got hard. Now, yes, we used the generic great value foil. Anyway, the reason why this foil's on here, because when you don't put the foil on here, this is what it looks like. You get cement splattered all up on your pole, and it looks all crazy. And now it's going to be a pain in the ass to get it off of there. But see, when you put the foil on there, and then when you're done with all your cementing, and you pull the foil off, it looks like this. No cement splattered all on it. So that's why we use the foil. That's what the foil is for. That's why we got the foil on there. What's up there, people? 100 Spoke Riders. We keep knocking them down and building them back up. pretty much once a week. You know what I'm saying? We've been buying concrete. You know, the pile, we knock the pile down and we build it back up pretty much. This is what's going on for the day so we can fill this hole up. I know y'all been tripping. Where the Melco videos at? What about the Cutlass? What the hell? What about the bike? Anything. But you know, we still been putting in work. That's all for the carport. Trying to get that ultimate shadiness, making sure that motherfucker don't blow down and flip over the RV gate again, cause I'll be damned if it kill another car. Oh shit, it is so bright out there. You say, why we need that? Right there. Look at that sun blinking off that bumper. Shit. Alright. So that's what's going down. Shit, we done bought so many bags of concrete, I done lost count. Shit, I don't know how many, I don't even know how many bags we into it so far. We just gonna keep on buying until we get all the poles up. You gotta do what you gotta do. Here it is. Hella concrete. Lowe's hardware store loves us. So, you know, sometimes it ain't all about the cars. Sometimes you gotta, you know, you can't put everything into your car and the shit around your car is falling apart. You know, you can have the baddest damn car in the world, but if you know pull up to your crib and you got dirt, no driveway, no shade, no garage, no nothing, you gotta do something. So, you know. Alright, now we got a little bit more room to play with. Ain't gonna be no more throwing it in there one shovel at a time. So now it's all mixed up. Just gonna dump it on in there. That's why the pole is got a little foil and tape on it. Gosh. Hold on, wait now. Okay. They just scrape the remainder stuff in there. There it is. 2 bags to go, or 2 bags down, and a whole bunch more to go. Alright, y'all. Still on the ground. Alright, there he is. Saturday afternoon. I knocked the pile down to 5 bags left. We don't have to buy a hell of a lot more. What you gotta do to make it look like last 2. That's a little wet because we're spraying it down, but. So pole number 2 is pretty much done. After that, now we gotta dig 2 more holes. Drop hole number 3 and shit, get some more cement and fill them last 2 holes up. Once we get all 3 poles onto the roof, Operation Super Shade or Ultimate Shade in full effect. Alright, there we go, y'all. Ain't even had time to clean nothing, just, you know. We'll probably stack it back high like we had it and break it back down. I'm the Spoke Riders, signing out.